How to use ChatGPT without phone number. In this video, let me show you how you can use ChatGPT without using your personal phone number. This should be a quick video since it is easy, so if it helps you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below. So let's jump straight into the video. If we look here, before we can use ChatGPT, it will ask us to provide our email address or phone number. But if you don't want to use your personal accounts or number, there are 3 things that you can do. First is search for temporary phone numbers on Google. So select a link here, and now you will see many options available for temporary use. If we select one here, you can see different people who use this too. And here is the number right here. You can copy this and paste it there, and this one will receive the SMS verification that you can use. But what if there are too many of you that has the same idea and use this number all at the same time? Then you won't get the verification. So you can try other numbers in here until you get lucky. If you don't have patience to try all these numbers, what you can do is search for paid temporary phone numbers. So you can see here, they can receive SMS verification for you for 5 cents. If you find this shady and don't want to pay for this, the last thing that you can do is just buy a new phone SIM. So buy one and register it on your phone, and you can use it to open ChatGPT. And these are the things that you can do to avoid using your personal phone number to use ChatGPT. So I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.